Vikram movie summary in English. Let's begin. Amar, the leader of a black OPS squad, is called upon by Police Commissioner Jose to bring justice against a group of masked vigilantes responsible for the murder of Stephen Raj, ACP Prabhanjan, and his foster father, Karnan. The gang killed Stephen after being arrested and subsequently released following his imprisonment for assisting Araklam and Anbu. Amar leads the investigation by digging into Karnan's life, as he finds the murder out of place since Karnan was an ordinary man, while the other two were high-ranking ANCP officials. Amar discovers Karnan's addiction to alcohol, drugs, and prostitutes while overprotecting his foster grandson. He found two drug containers missing that Sandhanam, who is running a larger syndicate than Adaklam, called Veti Vagyara, is hunting. The other two containers were part of a shipment to Rolex, Sandhanam's boss, who promised to help form his government if he received the drugs. If not, Rolex would kill Sandhanam and his family. Amar discovers Karnan's addictions are a ruse to cover a covert operation he was running. Meanwhile, Veerapandian, a Public Works Department (PWD) officer, and a contractor named Rudra Prathap plot to take the drug containers to Sandhanam, but the masked vigilantes arrive and kill Veerapandian at a theatre. Amar and his team capture Bijoy, one of the vigilantes. Bijoy reveals the syndicate killed his family for his role in leading a drug bust at Trichy, leading him to join the vigilantes. Amar and his team realize Rudra Prathap is the vigilantes' next target, and they sneak into Rudra Prathap's daughter's wedding ceremony. Rudra Prathap invites Sandhanam for protection. The masked men and his gang arrive at the wedding and threaten him. The leader drags Rudra Prathap and escapes on a bike. Amar chases and catches the vigilantes' leader and reveals himself as Karnan, who had faked his death. Karnan kills Rudra Prathap by slitting his throat and escapes the police. Amar tells Jose that Karnan is Vikram, the former commander of the Black OPS Squad's pilot batch of 1986. Only Vikram and 3 other team members survived after the government tried to kill them because of a botched mission in 1991. Amar also theorizes Jose is Sandhanam's mole in the department and was involved in Prabhanjan's death. Amar organizes a bomb blast at Sandhanam's bungalow that destroys it and a drug lab. Jose hears of the bombing and informs Sandhanam. Jose tells Sandhanam about Vikram's and Amar's identities. Vikram frees Bijoy and his team from prison, stating that his vengeance for Prabhanjan's death did not drive his actions. He wanted to bust a drug syndicate in the city. He claims Prabhanjan is his biological son and knows Vikram's true identity. Sandhanam kills Amar's wife, Gayatri, and sends his men to kill Vikram's daughter-in-law and grandson at Prabhanjan's house. Agent Tina, disguised as Valiamil, kills the gang and dies in the process. Amar kills Jose, avenging Gayatri's death. Vikram and his grandson reach Chennai port, where the hidden containers are stored. Sandhanam learns about the container's location and attacks Vikram. Vikram mows down Sandhanam's men with a cannon and an AM Browning, but the remaining members of his Black OPS squad, agents Uppiliappan and Lawrence, died in the scuffle. After a fistfight with Sandhanam, Vikram triggers a massive blast at the port that kills Sandhanam and destroys the drug containers. A week later, Adaklam and Anbu arrive with their men at Sassoon Docks, Mumbai, and meet with the gangsters affiliated with Sandhanam for a meeting with Rolex. Adaklam and Anbu explain Delhi's involvement in the Trichy drug ambush, and Sandhanam's men reveal Vikram's and Amar's involvement in destroying their drug syndicate. After Gayatri's funeral in Ernakulam, realized that Amar is a fake name and real name is unknown, Amar joins Vikram's gang to continue building a drug-free society. Anbu informs Rolex that Delhi is hiding somewhere in Uttar Pradesh, while Sandhanam's men tell him Vikram's family are abroad, shown to be in San Francisco. Rolex announces a massive bounty for the execution of Amar, Dilli, and Vikram's team. Unknown to everyone else, Vikram is at the meeting and walks away with determination after learning about the bounty placed on all of them.